Agus an taobhlína lingan seo tránóna tá Laoch na hImeartha chud na Gaillimh Aoife Donohue. Aoife, after Kilkenny scored their second goal, it cut the gap down to 1 point with 15 minutes or thereabouts to go. What did it say about the character of this Galway team that you were able to settle back down, get the couple of crucial scores to close the game out?
Yeah, I suppose in recent years, we've probably dropped the head. I think today the girls deserve great credit. We kept our heads, we stayed going, we stayed taking over the points, and we kept ourselves in the game. That was a strong Kilkenny fight back there, and we're just lucky to get over the line there in the last few minutes.
It's a first league title for Galway from 2015, so as an incentive now to kick on, you're getting closer and closer to the Corks and the Kilkennys of this world. Could this make a big difference, say, come championship time?
Yeah, look, we had a strong league campaign. It's all preparation for the championship, and look, it's great to finally get a win under our belts, and there'll be loads of confidence now going into the championship. But as you said, they say the Corks and Kilkennys are the top two in the country, but look, we've been thereabouts. We've probably been on the wrong side a lot of times, and hopefully this year now, we can go one step further, and we know we can match them on any day that we actually go out and perform. So yeah.
Cóhardachas leat Aoife Donohue Laoch na hImeartha seo tránóna agus ceann Littlewoods Ireland tá Jeff Scully anseo le gradam Laoch na hImeartha a bhrunna Aoife.